A guy wakes up, grabs eggs from the fridge, cooks breakfast, sips coffee on the balcony. Sounds like a normal morning, except none of it happened. The person doesn't exist, the kitchen doesn't exist, even the egg brand doesn't exist. I built this entire commercial from nothing but text prompts, and here's the workflow. So for the opening shot, I knew I wanted something intimate. An extreme close-up of an eye, really cinematic, warm amber lighting, shallow depth of field. Something like this. I took this reference image and fed it to Claude and asked it to write me a detailed image generation prompt matching this look. Here's what it gave me. Next, I head into Google Flow. Make sure you've got image selected as your model. Then I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match my video format. And I'm using Nano Banana Pro for the image generation. It's fast and produces clean cinematic results. I paste in the prompt from Claude and hit generate. And here's what I got. But I want to start with his eyes closed, so I quickly edit this image to shut his eyelids. And now I have my starting frame and ending frame, which is with eyes open. For video prompt, I described the full sequence. His eyeballs moving under the eyelids like he's dreaming, and he squeezes them tighter and suddenly snaps them open, revealing blue eyes. And Claude gives me a detailed prompt like this. And here's the output. If you see, he looks straight rather than towards his left. We can either regenerate or edit to pick up that last frame. The fridge shot is where things got interesting. This is a POV from inside the closed fridge, the Nesta carton in the foreground. Sounds simple, but it was not. Here's my first attempt. Two problems. The hand appeared from inside the fridge instead of reaching in from outside, and the guy was shirtless. The fix? I had to be ridiculously specific. I added lines like single door, hinge on left, door opens toward left, the hand reaches forward from the background toward the camera, guy wearing a red t-shirt, and so on. AI doesn't assume physics. You have to spell out every single detail. And here's what I got. Now if you look at the end, it's still not perfect. There are two doors closing instead of one. But the beginning of the shot, the door opening, the light flooding in, the hand grabbing the carton, that part looks great. And that's basically the pattern for this entire project. Generate, review, find the problem, rewrite the prompt. Regenerate. It's not one-click magic, it's iterative. For the background music, I used Suno. Generated a minimal lo-fi ambient track using this prompt and got these 4 variations in which I like this the most.
I woke up early, kettle on the...
Final assembly was in CapCut, trimmed each clip to the tightest moments, added transitions, layered the Suno track, and added the end card with the Nesta branding. And here's the completed video ad.
I woke up early, kettle on the stove, folded up my shirt sleeve by the back door slow. Got a cold cup of coffee and the sky still gray. You came in my mind like trouble on the way. Oh, I can hear you crossing through my head. Same old worry, same old thread. I'll see you when the sun goes down. I'll see you when the sun